David Ingolson on best now, and we are going to get started right now. The door is closed. Here's the first group.
Og leifum þeim aðeins bara rétt. Og þá það takt með hraðabreytingum, gjörðu svo vel.
Speed changes right now. Slow turn on the short sides, acceleration on the long straight.